Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're just going to jump right into the install. So this is the even lace tint that I'm using. I use this on all my wigs. I don't use makeup. You want to use a lace tint or makeup of your shade to put on transparent lace, just so the melt will look more natural and seamless. So this wig is a pre-highlighted curly bob wig. I believe it's 18, I believe it's 12 inches, 12 or 14. Everything will be linked down below, but it's a 13 by 6, and I did bleach the knots, but I did not bleach the hair. It came colored like this, so I'm just gonna go in with the regular install. And yeah, I'm only gonna do 2 coats of this, and then you guys just see how I style it. I'll go back and forth from side part to a middle part, but as you saw in the intro, I ended up doing the middle part. The curls look bomb. I love this hair. Oh my gosh, this hair was so cute. I didn't think I was gonna like it because it's kind of different for me, but I thought it was really cute. And yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything will be linked down in the description, as I said, so please be sure to read the description box, and then any remaining questions you could just leave them down in the comments and I'll be more than happy to answer them. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys later.